Hello everyone. Today I have a very important update for Deloitte NLA 2026 candidates because many students have now started receiving the pre-hire talent mail and naturally a lot of doubts have started appearing. Questions like what exactly is the PHT mail? Does receiving PHT means I am selected? How do I activate the account? And what is the MFA authentication methods? What documents need to be uploaded? And what if my Aadhaar and PAN details don't match? In this video, I will explain the entire process step by step so that you don't make any mistakes while completing this important stage. So watch this video completely till the end because every small detail matters. First of all, let's understand what the PHT mail actually is. Candidates are receiving a mail titled Deloitte Recruitment Process Next Steps. In this mail, Deloitte mentions we would like to take your candidature ahead. This means your profile is moving forward in the recruitment process. The purpose of this stage is to verify your identity, collect mandatory compliance documents, gathering onboarding information, and prepare your profile for future onboarding activities. This is one of the most important onboarding stage because Deloitte starts collecting official information from candidates. After receiving the mail, candidates receive an activation link. The first step is activating your account. When you click the activation link, you will see a screen asking you to create password. Choose a strong password, remember it carefully because you will use it to access the PHT portal later. And after that, select the preferred language, choose the language you are comfortable with. This becomes your default language preference inside the portal. Now comes the most important security setup. Deloitte asks candidates to configure MFA. MFA stands for multi-factor authentication. What it does is it adds an extra layer of security to your account. You will see two options. The option one will be Authenticator app, example Microsoft Authenticator or Google Authenticator, and option 2 will be mobile phone. OTP verification through your mobile number. Most students find mobile phone verification easier. Choose whichever method you are comfortable with and complete the verification process and then activate your account. Once this is done, your account setup is complete. After MFA setup, you can access the PHT portal. Log in using the username, password you have created, and MFA authentication. Once you successfully log in, you will be able to access the Pre-Hire Talent portal. This is where Deloitte collects your compliance and onboarding information. Now let's discuss the documents. According to the Deloitte's instruction, candidates are required to upload the Aadhaar card, specifically e-Aadhaar. The Aadhaar should clearly display the full name, date of birth, and Aadhaar number. Along with that, PAN card. A scanned copy of PAN card is also required. These documents are mandatory because Deloitte uses them for compliance verification. One line in the PHT instruction is extremely important. Deloitte specifically mentions that as per statutory compliance, be sure to enter your name in Deloitte records to match the name given on the Aadhaar card. This means your Deloitte records should match your Aadhaar details. Because of this, many students are asking, what if my father's name differs? My PAN has a longer name. My Aadhaar has initials. My PAN has surname expansion. Will this be a problem? My suggestion is, if there are small variations, don't panic immediately. However, Deloitte has clearly instructed candidates to maintain consistency across documents. If there is a major mismatch, it is better to seek clarification from the onboarding team and keep supporting documents ready. Now let's discuss one of the biggest doubts students are asking. A candidate recently asked, I'm in the employment application section. In the employment application section, there is a question asking whether I have applied to any Deloitte role in the last 6 months. If I answer yes, will there be any issue? For that, my answer would be do not provide incorrect information. Always answer honestly. Many candidates had applied to other Deloitte roles earlier and later received rejection mails. Despite that, they were invited to the NLA process and reached the PHT stage. If Deloitte is asking the question, answer it truthfully. Providing incorrect information creates more risk than disclosing a previous application. Remember, PHT is a verification stage. Verification stages are designed to validate information. Therefore, honesty is always the safest approach. Now comes the question everyone wants answered. What happens after the PHT? Based on the information collected from the candidates who are further ahead in the onboarding, the next stages may include Launchpad program, pre-start learning, offer letter activities, virtual training, and then finally onboarding. However, onboarding journeys are not identical for everyone. Some candidates may receive updates in different sequence. Do not compare your journey with someone else. And this is one of the biggest mistakes candidates are making right now. Student keeps saying, My friend got the first mail and my friend received location preference. My friend got registration and my friend received goodies. Remember something important. Deloitte is onboarding thousands of candidates and different batches move at different speed. All these factors influence the sequence of communication. So don't assume rejection simply because somebody received a mail before you. Before submitting, I would highly recommend you to verify everything before submitting anything. Verify the Aadhaar carefully, verify PAN carefully, ensure names are entered correctly, check date of birth, upload clear scanned copies, save your login credentials, and complete MFA properly. Don't rush while filling the information. One small mistake can create unnecessary delays later. So spend a few extra minutes verifying everything. If this video helped you understand the Deloitte PHT process, make sure to like, share and subscribe. That's it for today. Thank you guys.